Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the EA app error. Your game failed to launch. An error on our end caused your launch to fail. This is the updated method. Let's get started. First, completely close the EA app. Make sure it's not running in the system tray. Then, reopen it as an administrator by right-clicking the icon and selecting Run as Administrator. This simple step can fix many launch issues. Next, clear the EA app cache. Press Windows plus E on your keyboard. Navigate to Local Disk C, Users, your username, App Data, Local, EA Desktop, and delete the cache folder. Don't worry, this won't delete your games. It just removes temporary files that may be causing the error. Now, go to your library in the EA app. Find the game that won't launch, click on the three dots, and select Repair. This will fix missing or corrupted files that could prevent the game from starting. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus can block the EA app. Make sure EA Desktop, Origin, and your game are allowed through your firewall. You can also temporarily disable antivirus software to see if that resolves the issue. Finally, make sure both the EA app and your game are fully updated. Click Check for Updates in the EA app to ensure you have the latest version. Updates often fix launch errors automatically. And that's it. Following these steps should fix the EA app error. Your game failed to launch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.